Good morning. It is, Saturday, September 3rd. It's 7 a.m. I came out about 30 minutes ago. It's kind of nice right now. It's 79 degrees, basically 80 degrees outside, but there's a nice breeze in my town. It's always windy half of the time in my town. And I'm just taking off dead leaves off of the plants here. Let me show you. Ooh, bumblebee, bumblebee. He buzzed me. Ooh, he wanted to get to the squash right where I was. He's big. He's at that squash plant. I don't know if you can see him. He's like, girl, move. I want to get in that flower. Anyway, I came out and I watered everything. I'm gonna have to harvest some of my sugar cane today. I'm gonna let the bee do their thing. I mean, he buzzed me quick. That's hilarious. But anyway, the garden's looking good. Everything is still growing. I had to put a little stake on one of my squash plants because the cage was leaning over and it has been windy and the cage perked right up. So the squash is still doing good. I haven't seen any signs of the squirrel. I am going to spray. There he goes again. He is loving the squash plant. Sorry. I'm going to spray some more repellent probably tomorrow, which is Sunday, maybe in the morning, let it dry, and then late in the afternoon I'm going to go ahead and drench the trees again, drench the roots of the trees with water. I'll be doing some stuff this weekend because I have a 4th day weekend, but not too much. I did put together a garden bed. Let me show you that while I'm out here. Let me turn the camera around. There's the garden bed. I thought it would be taller, but that's okay. I put it together. I have another one. To put together. And this garden bed, let me show you what it's going to replace. Oh, I also watered my succulents the other day. Let me show you. So I'm gonna let it replace this area here. It's still low to the ground. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do. Either I'm going to put the mints in it or I'll put the remaining strawberries I have in it. No, I'll put the strawberries in it, and I'm going to take half of the mints out of those containers and put it into the lower bed right there and put that lower bed on top of those wood things. That's what I'll do. And let me see if I can get over here. Oh, the bumblebee is at the loofahs. I don't know if you can see him. Anyway, there's a garden bed all the way over there by the trees. He's coming towards me. Okay. There's a garden bed way out there by the trees that used to have sunflowers. I can't pinpoint it right now. But I'm going to replace that garden bed because it's falling apart. It's one of those cheapies I bought when I first started gardening. It's been 3 years now, and it's done its duty. Flies. Eventually, I will be replacing the garden bed that the corn is in, or I'm thinking I may lose a garden bed and put more trees in the ground. Is actually what I'm thinking. I'll just have to be more inventive, and I'll still have a garden bed to put corn in. In the summer, I'll just have to figure something out. But anyway, I guess that's the end of my video. I put fresh water for the birds. They're happy. They were looking down when I put fresh water. They're flying all over here. And because I can't get out there because the bees out there. So, well, 2 of them actually. So, I'll get out later on today and cut off all of the dead leaves and everything and kind of straighten up if That it probably won't be till like 7 in the evening when the sun is not beaming down on the garden. And I don't even know if I can do it then. I have to go get my hair cut today. And yeah, it's gonna be like over 110 today. So we'll see. If it's 80 right now at 7 a.m. in the morning, it's gonna be way over 110 today. So that is it. Show you. Sorry, I couldn't show you cutting me cutting the dead leaves off the garden, but like I said, the garden's doing well, and I'll end the video with this. It is so peaceful out here right now. The wind feels nice, and I want you all to enjoy your day and stay relaxed this beautiful holiday weekend.